Okay, so industrial manufacture of ethanol. How to prepare the ethanol? All means alcohol, na? So ethane means what? Two carbons. So we write. How do we write two carbons, na? So CH3 CH2OH. Otherwise two carbons C2, then how many? 5 hydrogens, then OH. So it is the formula for the ethanol. We can write like this or like this. Okay, so how to prepare this ethanol? So it is there. So you write near the ethanol this name, CH3 CH2OH or C2H5OH, ethanol. Understand? So here, how to prepare this in the factory? It is called as the industrial manufacture of ethanol. Industrial manufacture of ethanol, ethyl alcohol, is done using fermentation method. Ethanol we say, but when we read this one, we can also read as a ethyl alcohol. Okay, is done using the fermentation method. What is the fermentation method? Already you have seen the video. Okay, that means fermentation means what? For example, one substance will be changing into another substance by using of the yeast is called as a fermentation. Okay, so here fermentation method. In this process, sugar is first separated from cane sugar. So from cane sugar ना गन्ना से what मिलता है? शुगर मिलता है. So sugar से we get it the ethanol. So sugar, not only by using the sugar, not only we get the sugar cane ganna. By using the ganna, not only we get sugar, but also we get the ethanol. Okay, alcohol we get. First separated from cane sugar. First cane sugar से शुगर सेपरेट करना है पहले, और इसके बाद शुगर सेपरेट करने के बाद में it will be what will be there? Some juice will be there. Crystallization means what? Like juice will be like shape of the salt or shape of the sugar. Some it will be there. Okay, some juice crystallization will be there. So in the thick yellow syrupy, this sugar crystallization, after removing the sugar from the sugar cane, juice will be there like a crystallization. Okay, so this will be in which color? Yellow color. Substance left behind is called molasses. So after removing the sugar, the remain one, okay, bacha hua na, the remain one, the yellow syrupy is called as what? Molasses. Important definition, right? Underline this one. What is the molasses means? After removing the sugar, separating the sugar from sugar cane, some crystallization sugar is left behind. It is the thick yellow color. It is called as a molasses. Okay, so this, from this molasses only ethanol is prepared. Understand? So molasses are diluted by adding water. Diluted water means, for example, when we in the milk na, if we add more water means now thick milk will be diluted to like little water. And for example, when we take the juice na, in the juice if you add more water it will become diluted. Okay, so molasses are diluted by adding water to obtain 8 to 10% of solution. Then ammonium sulfate, which promotes yeast reproduction, is added to the solution. Ammonium sulfate, one chemical is added to this molasses. So this molasses, after adding this one, what is produced? Yeast is produced. The yeast is very important. Okay, so is added to the solution. A small amount of sulfuric acid also added to the solution. Very important, this one, industrial preparation of ethanol. From this chapter you can get 1 mark, 2 mark or 5 marks questions also. Sulfuric acid also promotes the growth of yeast and kills other microorganisms. So sulfuric acid also help for the growth of the yeast and kills other waste microorganisms. For example, when we see here NaNH4 bracket NH4 twice SO4, ammonium sulfate. H2SO4 means sulfuric acid. So here first molasses is diluted by adding the water. Okay, After this, for this what is added? Yeast is added. So how the yeast is produced? By adding the ammonium sulfate and hydrochloric acid, yeast is produced. So after that, this one is closed in the for the fermentation at how many degrees Celsius? 25 to 30 degree Celsius. Okay, now if you see here, the mixture is filled in a tank. So here after yeast is producing, it is filled in a tank, and 5% yeast is added to the tank, and the mixture is left for 2-3 days in the absence of air, that means in the absence of oxygen, at 25 to 30 degrees Celsius it is kept. Yeast is a type of fungus which has the enzymes invertase and zymase. Yeast has the two enzymes, invertase and zymase. Invertase converts, that means changes, the sucrose present in the molasses into glucose and fructose. Ethanol is obtained by fermentation of glucose and fructose in the presence of zymase. In this process, carbon dioxide gas is released with rapid bubbling and is removed outlet tube. We can show the formation of alcohol by the following equation. So for example, in the molasses water is mixed. After mixing the water, so ammonium sulfate, and with the help of the sulfuric acid, the yeast is produced, and some other microorganisms are killed by the sulfuric acid, and everything is kept in a tank at 25 to 30 degrees Celsius in the absence of oxygen and presence of carbon dioxide. After 2-3 days, carbon dioxide is removed, and what is here? Okay, so yeast will produce two enzymes. It is called as the invertase enzyme, zymase enzyme. So the enzymes which helps for the breaking and digestion of the food. In our body also we have the enzymes, where in the digestive system enzymes helps for the digestion of the food. So like that only here also yeast produces the two enzymes. One is invertase enzyme and zymase enzyme. So the sucrose is present, like sugar, the sucrose is present where? In the molasses. Okay, after removing the sugar, the molasses that yellow color is left behind. Its formula is C12H22O11 plus water. This invertase enzyme will break the sucrose into two, glucose and fructose, C6H12O6, C6H12O6. Okay, it will be dividing. And then this glucose or fructose both will be giving the ethanol with the help of which enzyme? Zymase enzyme, and carbon dioxide is left outside. So ethanol is 2C2H5OH plus carbon dioxide. Arrow mark up will show carbon dioxide is released. Okay, so here you see distillation column to separate na. So here we get the alcohol, and alcohol is stored here, collected here, and steam went outside. Understand? So this is the way separating this one. So by catalyst enzyme, this is very important, underline this box na. By catalysts and enzymes. Catalysts are substances that do not themselves take bio means life. Okay, some life giving organisms, some catalysts are there which helps for the reaction. It helps for the reaction, but it will not involve in the reaction. Understand? For example, when we keep the rice water on the gas stove, that gas will help to cook the food, but gas will not involve in the food. Gas will not be added in the rice, but it will be helpful for the cooking of the rice. So like that only by catalyst. What is the catalyst? By catalyst means life giving catalysts. Some chemical catalysts also are there, but they are biocatalysts. They will not involve in the reaction, but they help in the reaction. Okay, so but whose presence affects the rate of the reaction? So because these catalysts are there, it helps the reaction. Catalysts that affect biological processes and reactions are called enzymes or biocatalysts. So what is a biocatalyst? The catalyst that affect the biological processes. okay, and reaction are called enzymes or biocatalysts. So in our body also enzymes are there, na? Like catalyst, those helps for the digestion of the food, but they will not involve in the food, okay, that is the catalyst. Biocatalyst means which helps for the biological processes is called as a biocatalyst or enzymes. The alcohol obtained by this method is a quite dilute. More water is there. 100% of alcohol that does not have the trace of water is called absolute alcohol. In the alcohol, if there is no water, is called as a absolute alcohol. Ethanol, which has 5% of water, is called rectified spirits. If in the alcohol, if there is a water is there, means it is called as a rectified spirit. They ask what is absolute alcohol, what is rectified spirit. Absolute alcohol means what? If the 100% of alcohol only, no water is there, means it is absolute alcohol. Rectified spirits means if the 5% of water is present in the ethanol, is called as a rectified spirit. The mixture of petrol and ethanol is called power alcohol, and it is used as a fuel in automobiles. Okay, thank you students.